Hello traders, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna to share my view prediction on Bank Nifty as well as Nifty for tomorrow's intraday. So before going to start, let's see how market behaved today. Uh, Let me show you in this. I have shared this chart in the Telegram as well as Instagram yesterday itself, and you can see market have touched our second resistance, and again there it got some resistance, and again as today is the budget, there is a fall in the second half of the trading day, and then you can see 37,772 there the market got the support, and it have again recovered and taken again resistance. This resistance, as it broken, it acts as a support now. So let me also change it to support. Just a second. Support. So let me show you, market is continuously traveling in a rising wedge, or like you can also call it as in a channel type. So as now it have taken the support at 38,406. So if it breaks 38,839, where today it have taken two times as a support and if resistance, if it breaks that, then we can expect some 39,378 as the next resistance. But in case market gets some gap down, or like it breaks down this downside trend line, as well as if it breaks and retests this resistance level, then we can expect 37,772 as the support. So before moving forward, let me show you, just a second. Let me show you why these levels are important. Like, let us consider this level and also apply Fibonacci from this low to this high. So we are getting 0.6, and as we know, 0.6 is the golden ratio of the Fibonacci. And if we just zoom out the chart, you can see multiple times of supports and resistance, and it is very key level for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And why I am explaining about this support, in order to explain you that, let us go to daily time frame in the Bank Nifty. Let me reset the chart, and you can see this is the daily time frame, and let me drag the Fibonacci from the high to low, and you can see this support, whatever the price which I have mentioned as the resistance in that chart, 38,974, this is the key resistance. It's going to be a key resistance for the market for tomorrow. If it breaks, then we can expect this 39,378 as the second resistance. So the reason behind I am saying it's a key resistance, let me also take one more confirmation. You can see, let me apply Fibonacci extension based tool, and you can see if I apply Fibonacci extension, the 0.6 level as well as the 50% of Fibonacci trend based extension tool, so there are forming multiple clusters. And also let us go and apply this impulse move. Okay, let's also consider this impulse move. You can see somewhere near to this level, we are getting even this Fibonacci extinction level. So obviously 38,974, which we are considering as an important resistance for tomorrow, this is important resistance for tomorrow. And in case if this channel breaks, if this raising wedge breaks, then obviously 38,406, this is going to be a key level for tomorrow. If it breaks, then again we can see some correction in the market, and obviously we can take next support as in any pullback we can take entry, and 37,772 going to be our key level. See, the market have traveled in the channel, and if it breaks, obviously we are not going to consider this fall, because this fall is from the budget day, so we are not considering it. So this going to be my view for tomorrow, and if the channel breaks in the upside, if it breakouts, then in any pullback we can take important level and we can see some upside move up to 37,378. So this is going to be my upside move, and if this support breaks, then I'm expecting some correction in the market until 37,772. And in any correction of these levels, then obviously I post the levels in the uh, Instagram as well as Telegram. In the live market, I share my updates and views and corrections, like whatever I feel. If I feel something I should share with you guys, then Telegram is my source medium to my subscribers and me. So please don't forget to subscribe or like, join in the Telegram channel. And coming to my Telegram, you can see, coming to my Telegram, I share my views as well as my position book, as well as swing trades and everything in the Telegram channel. So if you have any doubt also, you can ask me through the user ID which I have also mentioned in the Telegram. I also share my views like RO Pharma. I share live charts. You can see bank nifty charts, my position book, and I share my views through the voice messages in the Telegram channel. If you don't want to miss this, so please do consider joining in the Telegram channel. And coming to Instagram, I share my chats of every day, before the market or like after the post market. I share chats, you can see here. I share the chats, and sometimes I share my views as well as some educational content on the trading, some patterns. So in order to not to miss this also, you can also follow me on the Instagram as well. So now coming to Nifty, if you are following me on this Telegram trading view profile, then you might have seen this chart which I have mentioned few days before. Like we have just plotted two levels, supply zone as well as demand zone. Now the Nifty is at the supply zone, so we are in the bearish side in the Nifty until and unless a hourly candle close above 1770, we are bearish in the Nifty. So let's see tomorrow if the gap, if there is a gap up and it opens above 1770. In that case, we will reanalyze and we will post in the Telegram channel. So about this update, you join in the Telegram channel so that we can explain you. But as of now, until and unless 17,710, until a daily candle close above this level, so we are in the supply range and bearish in the Nifty. So let me also take to the chart Nifty. So here it is. As I explained, it is also traveling in a channel, and it is at the major resistance. As I explained, 17,710 is the key level. If a hourly candle close above that, so obviously we are going to change our bias from bearish to bullish. But until then we are bearish, and I am expecting if it get correction at 17,587, then the immediate support is 17,403. And even if that support breaks, then 17,283 is going to be my key support or key level. As you see, as you can see, even in that correction, in the budget correction, even it have taken the support at 17,283. Even I have shared these charts earlier before the market in my Telegram as well as Instagram. So you can, even making before making this video, I have posted both the charts in the TradingView profile, so you can also check out there. All the links I have mentioned in the description, so try to join and follow me in the TradingView profile, Instagram as well as Telegram is most important in order to get the market updates. So see you in the next video, guys. And remember, 17,710 in the Nifty is very key level, as well as bank nifty I have explained. And after, if the market gets some huge gap ups or gap downs, I will reanalysis, I will recheck the levels, and I will usually provide the charts in the telegram channel. So in order to not to miss the channel opportunity, please do join in the telegram channel. Links all are mentioned in the description.